Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Imgix, optimize and deliver images step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Imgix URL. Press enter to navigate to the Imgix homepage. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Once you've entered your credentials, review them for accuracy. Click on the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Imgix dashboard. In the dashboard, you can manage your image assets. To optimize images, navigate to the source section. Here, you can add or select your image source. After selecting a source, choose the desired image you want to work with. To apply optimization settings, click on the Edit option. Adjust the settings according to your needs. You can resize, enhance, and optimize your images from this section. Once you have applied your desired optimizations, click Save Changes. To deliver your optimized images, find the URL section. Copy the generated URL for your optimized image. You can now use this URL to embed or share your optimized image. If you need to perform more adjustments, repeat the steps as necessary. When you're finished, log out by clicking on your profile icon. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.